Welcome back to Matt's Cookie Adventure, and today we're going to be making this delicious lemon drizzle. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. You will need 225 grams of self-raising flour, 225 grams of softened unsalted butter, 225 grams of caster sugar, the zest of 2 lemons, and 4 large eggs. Let's get started. First, we need to beat the butter with the caster sugar. It should look pale and creamy now. Now that this is ready, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And add the eggs one by one to your butter and sugar. So I've just put in the last egg and now it should look like this. So now we need to add the self-raising flour and the lemon zest, and mix until it's all combined. So it's ready now. Don't worry about the lumps because that's just the lemon zest. And now we need to transfer it to the tin. So now you will need a spatula to transfer the mixture to this 8 by 21 centimetre tin with greaseproof paper. Now that it's all in the tin, put it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. So it's out of the oven now and we're leaving it to cool. So we're going to make the drizzle. So to make the drizzle, we need 85 grams of caster sugar mixed with the juice of 2 lemons. Then you want to mix that up. So now that it's all mixed together, poke holes with a fork all over the cake so the juice can soak in and it will leave a nice crispy sugar on top. So spoon it out all over the top like this. So now that the drizzle's all over it, leave it to cool for half an hour or so. Once it's cooled down, let's make the icing. So you'll need 175 grams of icing sugar and the juice of a lemon. So add about half of it in, and then you can add the rest if needed. So the mixture should be about this thin. Now we can pour the icing over the lemon drizzle. Now once the icing's all over it, leave it in the fridge to cool for about half an hour. So now that it's all cooled and the icing is set, you can take out the cake and leave it on a plate like this. So now the cake is ready to serve. So now you have your lemon drizzle. Hope you got the same result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do that by clicking the button here. See you next time. Bye.